Are you struggling with how to get the maximum value from one column and the minimum from another in your Pandas data frame? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into a common challenge that many data enthusiasts face. I totally get it. Working with data frames can sometimes feel like solving a puzzle, especially when you're trying to extract specific values. You're not the only one who has faced this issue, and it's a common question among Pandas users. Let's take a look at the specific question at hand. One user shared a data frame with usernames num1 and num2 columns. They wanted to know how to get the minimum value from num1 and the maximum value from num2 for each user. Sound familiar? If so, let's explore this together. So, what's the best way to achieve this? The challenge lies in combining the aggregation functions for both columns in a single operation. This is where Pandas really shines, but it can be tricky if you're not familiar with the syntax. And stick around. I have a neat trick at the end that will simplify your data frame manipulations even further. To achieve the desired output, the user can utilize the Pandas library's GroupBy function along with the Agg method. This allows for applying different aggregation functions to different columns simultaneously. In this example, the user groups the data frame by the user column. Then, they specify that for num1, they want the minimum value, and for num2, they want the maximum value. After executing this code, the user will receive a new data frame that contains the minimum value of num1 and the maximum value of num2 for each user. Finally, the user can reset the index of the resulting data frame to make it cleaner and easier to read. This can be done using the reset index method. Fun fact, did you know that Pandas is named after the term panel data? It's a powerful tool for data manipulation and analysis, and it keeps getting better. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach shared by another user involves using the GroupBy method with the Agg function. They suggest aggregating multiple columns at once by specifying the desired operations for each column. For example, you can get the minimum of num1 and the maximum of num2, along with the first and last values of other columns. Here's that neat trick I promised. Always remember to use the Agg function when you want to apply multiple aggregation operations in one go. It saves time and keeps your code clean. And there you have it. You now know how to get the minimum and maximum values from your data frame using Pandas. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on data manipulation.